English Galician. What is, equals.
¿Qué?
Ask smart, learn fast. Welcome. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly coach for small wins every day. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and practice. Hey you, curious mind. Today you'll master the tiny but mighty question, what is, in Galician.
¿Qué?
Imagine a detective hat, a magnifying glass, and you asking everything, yes, even weird sandwiches.
¿Qué?
Say it clearly. Warm up your voice and repeat after me, nice and confident. Slow.
¿Qué?
Normal.
¿Qué?
Rhythm. Clap clap.
¿Qué?
Clap clap.
¿Qué?
Pro tip. Shrug your shoulders and open your palms as you say it, instant curious energy. Mini dialogue. Jump into a quick scene and listen for the key phrase. You, I found this mystery gadget. You, bravely.
¿Qué?
Shopkeeper. Great question. It's a potato peeler that also tells jokes. Okay, only on Fridays. You, proud, I'll remember.
¿Qué?
Next time. Quick friends of the phrase. Level up with cousins of the same pattern, short and sweet. Who is?
¿Quién es?
Where is?
¿Dónde es?
What does, mean?
¿Qué significa?
Which is?
¿Calé?
What is this?
¿Qué esto?
But today's hero is still.
¿Qué?
Drill time. Your turn, short prompts, fast replies. Say it out loud. You see a new word on a sign. Say.
¿Qué?
Teacher writes a tricky term on the board. You.
¿Qué?
Point at a shiny pastry in a bakery case. You.
¿Qué?
Museum mystery tool? You already know.
¿Qué?
Culture tip. Galicia vibe. Make it real with a local snapshot. Picture TVG, Television de Galicia, showing a new word. A kid points and whispers.
¿Qué?
In markets and cafes, curiosity is welcome. Smile, point kindly, and ask.
¿Qué?
People love to explain. Quiz break. Quick check, no pressure, just points for trying. Q. How do you say, what is, in Galician? A.
¿Qué?
Q. At a museum, you point to a tool. What do you ask? A.
¿Qué?
Q. Don't mix it up. Which one means, who is? A.
¿Quién es?
Challenge and outro. Time to take it into the world, brave and curious. Mini challenge. Today, ask at least one real question using
¿Qué?
in a shop, a museum, a cafe, or while reading packaging. Give yourself a tiny fist pump after. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep learning with more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Practice daily, stay curious, and keep asking.
¿Qué?
Your superpower for understanding.